Hello viewers, this is Mahmood. In this video, we are going to solve another problem related to integration by parts. The integral is x cube into natural log of 3x plus 15. So we have to find the integral by using of integration by parts. So we know that the rule of integration by parts is integral of uv equal u into integral of v minus whole integral derivative of u integral of v. This rule can also be written as integral of first function multiplied by second function is equal first into integral of the second, then minus whole integral derivative of first integral of the second. Got it? So now, our integral is integral x cube natural log of 3x plus 15. So the problem is which function would be our u and which would be our v function. Okay, so remember that this x cube is our basically algebraic function, and this function, that is the log of 3x plus 15, this is our logarithmic function. Okay, so as we discussed in our previous video, that is, we have to remember this word, that is ILATE. Okay, so here I stands for inverse trigonometric functions, L for logarithmic, A for algebraic, and T for trigonometric, and E for exponential. So you can see here this logarithmic functions comes first from the algebraic. So we will consider the logarithmic function as our first function, okay, or as our u function. And similarly, this algebraic function is considered to be the second function or our v function. Okay, so here our integral x cube natural log of 3x plus 15 dx equal, now consider this is our second function x cube, that is algebraic, and the logarithmic function is our first function. So we will keep the first function as it is, that is log of 3x plus 15. So we have to take the integral of the second function. So the integral of second function is x cube, so x cube dx, then minus whole integral, then you have to take the derivative of first. So that is going to be the derivative of the first. So what is our first function? That is the natural log of 3x plus 15. Okay, then you have to take the integral of the second. So second is our x cube into dx and then dx. Okay, so now here we have the natural log of 3x plus 15, and you know that the integral of x cube is x to the power 4 divided by 4 minus integral, and you know the derivative of the log is basically 1 divided by log of x, but here the argument is not x, but that is 3x plus 15. So we will divide by 3x plus 15, and then we have to take the derivative of the argument again by chain rule. So this is going to be the derivative of 3x plus 15, and here the integral of x cube is basically x to the power 4 divided by 4 and dx. Is it okay? Now simplify more. So that is the natural log of 3x plus 15, and here we have divided by 4, and the same here that is x to the power 4. Yeah. So then minus, here we have that is going to be the integral, the derivative of 3x plus 15, that is going to be 3 only, 3, and then divided by, and in the denominator here we can take 3 as a common factor, so that will become x plus 5, and here we have x to the power 4 divided by 4 dx. So this 3 will cancel with this 3. So now finally we get x to the power 4 natural log of 3x plus 15 divided by 4 minus 1 upon 4 will come out from the integral, and the integral would be x to the power 4 divided by x plus 5, okay, and dx. So you can see this is an improper integral, so we will divide them first, okay. So here we have x to the power 4 divided by x plus 5. We are simplifying this by long division method. So the long division method is x power 4 will be inside and x plus 5 will be outside. So just multiply with x power 3. So it would become x power 4 plus 5 times x power 3. So just subtract them. So here this is positive, it will be negative, so cancelled. And here you know that basically here we have a 0. So 0 minus 5x cube is basically minus 5x cube. So now we will multiply with minus 5x squared to make them minus 5x cube. So that would become minus 5x cube, and then multiply with the plus 5, that would become minus 25x squared, okay. And then again you have to subtract them. So this will become positive when we are subtracting, so this will be cancelled, and here we have 0. So 0 minus 25x squared would become plus 25x squared, okay. And now we have to multiply with the 25x, okay. So it would become 25x squared, and then 25x with 5 is going to be 125x, okay. Again we are going to subtract them. So when we subtract them, so it would become negative, so this will be cancelled, and again here we have 0. So 0 minus 125x, it would become minus 125x. So now we have to multiply with minus 125. So minus 125 times x is minus 125x, and then minus 125 times 5 is going to be 625, minus 625. Is it okay? So we are going to subtract them, so this will be cancelled, and here 0 minus 625 is going to be 625. So this division can be simply written as like x cube minus 5x squared plus 25x minus 125, okay, minus 125 plus the remainder, that is 625 divided by the divisor, that is x plus 5, okay. So just put this value here, okay. So this is going to be x to the power 4 natural log of 3x plus 15 divided by 4 minus 1 upon 4 the integral x power 4 divided by x plus 5, that can be written as x cube minus 5x squared, then plus 25x, then minus 125, then plus 625 divided by x plus 5 into dx. Is it okay? So finally here the integral x cube natural log of 3x plus 15 dx is equal x to the power 4 log of 3x plus 15 divided by 4 minus 1 upon 4. You have to apply the integral inside, so this will become integral x cube dx, then minus 5 will come out from the integral, so the integral will apply on x square dx and then apply here, so it is going to be plus 25 will come out, so the integral will be apply on x, then here minus 125, so it is going to be minus 125 integral of 1 dx, and then plus the integral apply with the last term, so 625 will come out from the integral, so the integral will apply on 1 divided by x plus 5 and dx. Is it okay? So now find the integrals. So here x power 4 natural log of 3x plus 15 divided by 4 minus 1 upon 4, and here the integral of x cube is going to be x power 4 divided by 4 minus the integral of x square is 5x to the power 3 divided by 3, then plus 25 x power the integral of x is x square divided by 2, and minus 125 the integral of 1 is x plus 625, and here the derivative of x plus 5 is 1, that is present in the numerator, so we will take the natural log of the denominator, that is the natural log of x plus 5, and then you have to put the constant of integration c. Okay, so now the final integral of integral x cube natural log of 3x plus 15 dx is equal x to the power 4 natural log of 3x plus 15 divided by 4 minus, you have to multiply 1 upon 4 inside with the minus sign, so that is going to be x power 4 divided by 4 times 4 is 16, then minus minus, that is going to be plus 5x cube divided by 4 times 3 is going to be 12, and then minus plus is minus 25 x squared divided by 4 times 2 is 8, and then minus with minus is plus, so 125 x divided by 4, and then minus with plus is minus 625 divided by 4 into natural log of x plus 5 and then plus constant of integration c. So this is the final